Hello, Liam. I am hungry.
Oh, no food today?
All shops are closed.
I have extra leftovers.
Leftovers? What is that?
Food from my dinner.
Extra food? For me?
Yes, I have plenty.
What is a pantry?
It is my food closet.
For pasta and cans?
Exactly. You can take some.
I am sorry, Liam.
Why are you sorry?
My English is very bad.
No, you are doing great.
I feel shy asking food.
Neighbors help neighbors, Jihoon.
Thank you. You are kind.
Your English is very clear.
What is a potluck?
A party with shared food.
I will bring rice.
That sounds perfect, Jihoon.
Thank you for the soup.
No problem. Eat well.
Good night. See you tomorrow. Hello, officer? Is there a problem?
Yes, you are driving fast.
I am sorry. I had one beer.
Even one is too many.
But I am not drunk.
You are buzzed. That is dangerous.
Buzzed? What does that mean?
It means feeling the alcohol.
Oh, so I am slow?
Yes, your brain is slow.
I see. I was wrong.
Next time, use a designated driver.
Designated. That is a long word.
It is a friend who drinks water.
A friend who drives everyone?
Exactly. They stay safe.
I am sorry, officer.
For what, Mateo?
My English. It is not good.
Do not worry. You are clear.
I feel very shy talking now.
Your English is fine. Safety is first.
Thank you. I understand now.
We must check your sobriety.
Sobriety? Is that a test?
Yes, to see if you are sober.
Yes, I will take the test.
Good. Never drink and drive.
I will call a taxi.
That is a smart choice.
Hello. It is my first day.
Welcome, Oliver. We are happy.
Thank you. Where do I sit?
First, we must finish these forms.
So many papers. What is this?
This is for your payroll.
Payroll? Is that my money?
Yes, how we pay you.
Oh, my bank details go here?
Exactly. We need your account.
Okay, I will write it now.
Next is the emergency contact.
Emergency? Like an ambulance?
Yes, who do we call if sick?
Ah, my wife. I understand.
Good. Now let's talk benefits.
Benefits? Is that extra work?
No, it is health insurance.
Oh, that is very good. I am sorry, Sophia.
Why are you sorry?
My English is not perfect.
Oliver, your English is very clear.
I feel shy in a new office.
Do not worry, you are doing great.
Thank you. I am trying hard.
Professional. Mistakes are how we learn here.
I finished the last page.
Perfect. Welcome to the team.
Thank you for your help.
You are welcome. Let's work.
Hello. The cars are loud.
Yes, welcome to the Speedway.
Speedway? Is that a road?
It is a special circle track.
Why are they stopping now?
That is a pit stop.
Pit stop? For a break?
No, for tires and gas.
Wow, they are very fast.
Yes, under 15 seconds.
How long is the race?
It is 500 miles.
How many laps is that?
A lap is one full circle.
Ah, so many circles today.
Exactly. 200 laps total.
Sorry, I am slow today.
Why is that, Arjun?
My English, it is not good.
Do not worry. You are clear.
I feel shy at the race.
You are doing great. Just listen.
Thank you. I am learning much.
Mistakes are how we learn, Arjun.
Look, the green flag.
Yes, the race is starting again.
Thank you for explaining, Chloe.
You are welcome. Enjoy the speed.
Hello. I need new shoes.
Hi, what size are you?
I am size 42.
In America, you are size 9.
Size 9? That is small.
It is just a different scale.
Okay, these shoes feel tight.
Maybe you need a wide width.
Width? What is that?
It means the shoe is fat.
Oh, my foot is very wide.
Try these. They have a soft insole.
Insole? Is that inside?
Yes, the cushion for your foot.
Wow, these feel very good.
Great. They are on clearance.
Clearance? Is that a brand?
No, it means a big sale.
Oh, a very cheap price?
Exactly. You save 50%.
I am sorry, Lily.
Why are you sorry, Sam?
My English, it is very bad.
Do not worry. You are clear.
I feel shy in this shop.
Your English is great, truly.
Thank you. I am still learning.
Mistakes are how we learn.
I will take these shoes.
Perfect. Follow me to the register.
Thank you for your help.
My pleasure. Enjoy your walk.
Hello, do vegetables grow here?
Yes, many people have gardens.
In the winter too?
No, we wait for the frost.
Frost, like the freezer?
Yes, ice on the grass.
Oh, it kills the plants.
Exactly. You must wait for spring.
What do I need first?
You need very good soil.
Soil? Is that just dirt?
It is dirt with food inside.
Food for the little seeds?
Yes, we also add fertilizer.
Fertilizer, that is a hard word.
It is vitamins for the plants.
To make them grow big.
Yes, then you can harvest.
Harvest? What does that mean?
It means to pick the food.
Like picking a tomato?
Exactly. You eat what you grow.
I am sorry, Lily.
Why are you sorry?
I am shy. My English, it is not good. I feel shy talking about plants.
Arjun, your English is very clear. Do not worry about mistakes.
Thank you. I am trying hard.
Mistakes are how we learn, really.
Can I grow spicy peppers?
Yes, peppers love the American sun.
I will buy the seeds now.
Don't forget to water them daily.
Every morning or every night?
Morning is best for the roots.
Thank you for teaching me.
You are welcome. Happy gardening.
Hello, Chloe. Look outside.
Yes, it is beautiful, right?
Everything is very white.
It is a heavy snowfall.
Is it a blizzard?
A blizzard means high winds.
High winds and more snow?
Exactly. It is very dangerous.
The air feels very sharp.
That is the wind chill.
Wind chill? Is that ice?
It is how cold it feels.
It feels like -10.
Yes, the wind makes it colder.
How do we leave home?
We must shovel the path.
Shovel? Is that a machine?
No, it is a long tool.
To move the snow away?
Yes, to clear the sidewalk.
I am sorry, Chloe.
Why are you sorry, Arjun?
My English, it is slow. I feel shy speaking today.
Do not worry, you are clear. Your English is getting better.
Thank you. I am learning.
Mistakes are how we learn.
Should I wear 2 coats?
Yes, we call that layering.
Many clothes to stay warm?
Exactly, and wear thick gloves.
I will go outside now.
Be careful, the ground is slippery.
Thank you for the help.
You are welcome. Stay warm.